Okay, this is question 2. So we see a number line. I can already fill out the missing number. A must be -5, B must be -2, and C must be 2. And then now I can answer all the questions. So A, -4 is something 1. Well, -4 is going to be smaller than 1. First of all, because a negative number is always smaller than a positive. And secondly, you can say -4 is on the left-hand side of 1. That's why it's smaller. B, A is something 3. Well, A is here, and 3 is here, because A again is on the left-hand side of 3 on the number line, so it's going to be smaller. C something 0. C is on the right-hand side of 0, so C is going to be bigger than 0. D, -3 and -1. I don't even need the number line. Remember, for negative integers, the bigger the digit, the smaller the value. So -3 is smaller than -1. E, B is something -B. B is on the right-hand side of -3, so B is bigger than -3. Oh, I forgot to remind you. This means less than. This means greater than. This means equals to. Okay, and then F. A is something -5. Well, A equals to -5. G, 4 is something 2. For positive integers, the bigger the digit, the bigger the value. So 4 is bigger than 2. H, C is something 2. On the number line, we can see here C equals to 2. I, B is something 0. So B is on the left-hand side of 0. That's why B is less than 0. J, C is something 5. C is on the left-hand side of 5, so C is less than 5. K, B is something -4. B is on the right-hand side of -4, so B is bigger than -4. L, A is something -10. So A is right here. A is -5. So -5 will be smaller than -10. Because -10 is the bigger digit, and in the negative world, the bigger the digit, the smaller it gets. That's why A is bigger than -10. Sorry, A should be bigger than -10. Okay, so that's it for question 2. I'll see you in question 3.